Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is again a very beautiful day. That morning thrill and morning fun. This you just see that this is the open gym. This is the open gym, and behind that, ladies and gentlemen, that is this is the gym that you are seeing. This is the gym that you are seeing. This is open gym. Means that you don't have to pay. It's free of cost. And at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, just see this is weightlifting. This is weightlifting. This is weightlifting. Everything regarding this weightlifting. That box, it's having all the weightlifting items. And then, ladies and gentlemen, that's great. You just see that, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to give you any lectures today. I don't want to give you any tips of good health and happiness today. You need to see, only see and fill your eyes. Fill your eyes with all the twinkle, all the glory, all the gay. Ladies and gentlemen, these old ladies, they are coming out. You just see that, having their asanas and doing the yoga. Doing the yoga. Let's see how beautiful it is. And at the same time, we need to pick up this dirt also, Some cruel man has just left it there. We'll just put it in the dustbin, We need to do this bit also, Ladies and gentlemen, don't be so selfish. Just put it there. Put it in the dustbin. Put this also. This is all nonsense. This chips, potato chips. This is fried chips. This is dangerous. This is hell for stomach. So what I was trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this one of the best places in the world. Means you don't have to pay anything, and you are completely protected to just run and walk barefooted. Just see that people have kept their chappals, their boots and sandals. They have gone walking in this beautiful greenery. Just see the green grass, the beauty of life. So ladies and gentlemen, while I am running. So ladies and gentlemen, while I am running, you just see that these old people also, these old people behind me, they are also. So ladies and gentlemen, just have all the fun, all the happiness in life. That is great. You see, you need to just drench yourself once in daily in sweat. So, ladies and gentlemen, God is great. That's beautiful. That people are busy. Some children are, they are playing football. There are old ladies who are doing yoga. And there's one man. He's doing the push-ups. I feel my hands over the years, they are slightly, I don't say weak, but slightly I need to do more practice so that I can do 100 push-ups just in one go. That's very important. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the greatness of life. You just see that coming out with children in the morning and giving them a lesson of life, so that the morning fun because it becomes their lifestyle, and then don't become plump and fatty and have diabetes and whatnot. They're coming with their grandparents. They're coming with your parents. You just see there are these two people also. They are doing yoga since morning, 5 a.m. This parent, hats off to him, great. He's making his son run. You just see that doing this asana also. This is Vrikshasana and Survangasana. This is very important. Just see running this child behind his father. This is also very important, ladies and gentlemen. These are the push-ups. So I also need to do some slight push-ups. I cannot just take the film, the camera, the videography and do the push-ups also. So ladies and gentlemen, I need to sign off here. I need to sign off with the message: keep healthy, keep fit, and always fix an internal dialogue, an internal narrative within you, which should be positive, which should be forward looking, which should be always up and going. Because as I told you, that our cells in the body are eavesdropping on the dialogue and the narrative that we fix for ourselves, and expectations, outcome and results, and of course the desires are the mechanics of its fulfillment. Just listen once more, very carefully. Desires and dreams. Dream big. Just see that, how beautiful this boy is doing. Kudos to him. So dreams and desires are the mechanics of its fulfillment, because the whole of the body, millions and billions of cells, they listen and they hear and they eavesdrop. What is your internal narrative? What is your internal dialogue? What you want to become in life? How you want to conduct yourself? How you want to take this body ahead in the service of family, community, nation, and the world. So I sign off here. Thank you very much. God bless you. 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 God bless. God bless. God bless everybody. God bless everyone. God bless everyone. Thank you very much.